Hello everyone, welcome back to Jadis Arts House of Fun Coding House. So today I'm going to show you the selecting option tag. The select tag is it's used along with the select option. They go along together. The option tag, it finds an option in the select list. The select tag is used to create a drop-down list. It is most often used in a form to collect user input, after which I'll also show you the data list. So let's get started. As a beginner, or you want to learn more in HTML, there are things that you would want to advance in, like data list. It takes the form of a list of suggestions that accompanies a text file. So first I'll copy this. Okay, let's copy. And then I'll paste it in my trial.html. Let's change this. No, we'll just leave it there. Okay, first I'm going to start with the select. Select, it goes along with the option. It's used to create a drop-down list. And like I said, it is used mostly in a form to collect user input or data. So we'll start with select ID. Let's see, we can make it, I would like to make the one of month. Select ID of month. We can do the one of day, week, but I would like to start with the month. Then the name, month. The placeholder, month. Okay, and now it's the option value. Like I said, they go along. The select and option, they are like inseparable. Equals 23, since we're talking about months, or we could start from 20. Let's start from 20. So this option value, it's what you see when the drop down list appears. So we'll copy this, and then okay, change it to 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now in these, the ones that you see that are plain white as it is, that are not in the quotation mark, they are what you see. They are what appears in the drop down list. So and save, and then we'll close it. There, we have created our first select and option tag. So let's go open it. Let's go and open it and see what it looks like. It's taking a while. Okay, there it is. open with Microsoft Edge. You can open it with any browser, but I prefer using Microsoft Edge. Use Google Chrome, Firefox, and the likes of it. So let's see what we've done so far. So there, the select option tag. The select is the drop down, and the option are what we see here: the 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, 25. We can even make it neater by we can make this one to be, let's see, you can say select your month, something like that, to make it look more neat. Your month, and then save, and we'll run it again. Select your month, then we start with 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. There, it looks more neater now. So we've created the select option button, tag, I mean the select option tag, and I'm going to show you how to create the data list. A data list, like I said, it's to list data. Literally, it means listing of data. We start. It's a bit like select. It's just a little more advanced. And as you see right here, you use the option value as well. So all you have to do is just to type in the input name and the list. Input name could be like country, the day, the month, the year. It could be a state, it could be anything. Just a second. Okay, then you put the data lists. Your attribute will be country name, since the list should country name. names of country, like Algeria, Canada, any country that it's needed in that form, you can just add it over there. Equals country name, then the option value, Nigeria. Let's copy this and then we'll paste. So you can paste as many times as you want. Keep pasting. Visual code helps in closing the tag where needed, like the option, as you can see, it closes it. So we can change the name to Canada. Let's see, Austria, Norway, and finally Hungary. Then you can copy and then paste so that it shows in the option select tag, because if you do not put it out here, you'll find that it won't appear. This option value, it tells us the value of what you want to put. It doesn't show. Let me explain it a little further, like this. Nigeria, Canada, America, Austria, Norway, Hungary. We don't want it to, it's already inside, but we want it to appear like this. You know, not just to be invisible. It's sort of, kind of invisible way. We want it to show down. It's inside the option value, but we want it to appear more like this. So we have to make it to be after the quotation marks. We'll bring it out. Okay, so then we're done. So there, we're done. We've created a data list. So let's see how it looks now. Okay. So when we type in something like G, it shows. You type F, nothing shows because there is no country with that name. A, all of them are have A with them. Then you click on it. Nigeria is another way. Instead of just using the select tag, you can use this data list. It lists data in its own way. It helps in organizing your work. Like unlike this one, it's already a select. You just select anyone you want. But whereby you have like 112 states of a country, and it might be quite difficult for everyone to keep scrolling and scrolling until they fit it. So data list is it helps in organizing data lists. Like if I type I can see 3 countries that are in I. So instead of a person just having to type the whole country's name, you could just type in maybe a letter like M, America, I, Nigeria, Austria, and the rest, R, Hungary. It shows everything, so the person can easily select without having to scroll down. That's the advantage of the data list. So there, we've seen the select and the data list tags. I'm hoping that you've understood what it is. The select, you select whatever it is want, whether it could be country, it could be days, it could be month, it could be the week, it could be anything though. The data list helps in making it more simpler, making it less complex. It helps you to be able to find your data easier rather than just scrolling it. Both of them have their own benefits and they have advantages of it. So there. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Don't forget, so as to get upcoming videos, so as to notify you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.